Alright guys, so this is a sound test of my Velocifire TKL78 with Outemu Browns. I have no custom keycaps on, it's just the stock keycaps. It's on a wood surface. I don't know how thick it is, but yeah. So, I'm gonna start the sound test, so yeah, I'll shut up. Alright, so that's the end of the sound test, and yeah, they're pretty good switches. It's just that I don't know if you guys can hear it. I'll put the mic right above it if I can. So I don't know if you guys can hear the ting. I hope I caught that like on the microphone. If I didn't, then well, you'll hear the ping if you actually end up getting this keyboard. I don't know if this is a major problem on other keyboards using the Outemu brown switches, but yeah. So I don't know what else to say. Bye.